Stop for a second and look at what's on your screen. This isn't a random 3-second AI clip. This is a real scene. There's a consistent art style, a real atmosphere, a character that looks the same from shot to shot. And here's the crazy part. I didn't animate this. I didn't use Blender. I didn't use After Effects. This entire scene came from one sentence of text. Most AI video tools only make short clips. They look cool, but you can't tell a story with them. Characters change. Scenes don't connect. Today I'll show you how to fix all that using Elser AI. The all-in-one AI studio built for long story-driven videos with consistent characters. We are talking up to 30 minutes, with actual plots, dialogue, voice acting, and most importantly, perfect character consistency. Let's get on with it. To access, you can just go to Google and simply type in Elser AI. Or I have put the link to Elser AI in description, so you can access the tool and follow along. Now, I know what you're asking. Do I have to pay for this? No. You don't need to pay anything to test this workflow out. Elser gives every single new user enough free credits to generate a full 1-minute video just by signing up. So pause the video if you need to. Click the link I've put in the description below to grab those free credits, and let's get into the studio. Here we are in the dashboard. You'll see a few different tools here, but for storytelling, we are focusing on this one, the anime and movie tool. Click on that. This is where the workflow is different from other tools. Elser acts like a director, not just a clip generator. You'll see two options. Stick to the script, which is great if you already have a screenplay written out. But today, we are starting from zero. So I'm going to select Start with a Short Idea. For our live example, I want to create something atmospheric, something emotional. Think Spirited Away or a classic Ghibli movie. So, in the prompt box, I'm going to type this exactly. That's it, just 2 sentences. Click Next, and our storyline is now generating, and here we are. The AI has taken the gist of the idea from my 2 sentences and broke them down into a multi-shot narrative. It created scene descriptions, it suggested dialogue, and it structured the flow of the movie. It effectively did the job of a professional screenwriter in about 10 seconds. You can edit or rewrite any scene here as you like, but right now it looks good as is, so let's go with it. Click Next again, and now we are in the Settings page. Here you can select the aspect ratio for the video, image model, video model, narration, and visual style as well. You can select the aspect ratio based on your requirement. For this example, I'll go with 1:1 square format for the video. I'm going to go with the inbuilt Elser AI model for both image and videos. Behind the scenes, Elser AI is integrated with the world's most advanced video models like Nano Banana, Google Veo, Sora 2, and Kling AI. And yes, I would like some narration. In the premium version, you can even clone your voice for the narration, but this time, I'm going with a female soothing American voice. Duration is 10 seconds. And you have a massive collection of visual styles to choose from, and I'm going to go with Ghibli-style. Next, we move to the most critical part of this tutorial, characters. The AI has analyzed our script and automatically identified our protagonist, the young traveler. It has generated a character profile for her. I can click to edit this text prompt to change her appearance, or you can upload a reference sketch or photo you have to align your character with your vision. I'm going to assign a female-friendly voice for our traveler and click on Save as Actor. By saving her, Elser AI locks her facial features, her outfit, and her style. Now, whether she is standing in a sunset, sitting on a train, or running in the rain, the AI knows. This is the traveler. Keep her looking exactly like this. We have our script. We have our locked actors. Now, let's visualize the movie. We are moving into the storyboard phase. You can see the script broken down into individual panels. I'm going to click Auto-Generate Storyboard. This acts like a concept artist. It's going to generate the static images for every single shot in our movie before we animate them. Let's look at the results. Because we wanted that Ghibli vibe, the lighting is soft. The colors are vibrant blues and oranges. And look at our traveler. She is in the wide shot, and she is in the close-up. And in most shots, she looks like the same person. However, we can see some inconsistency in the last frames, so I'm going to adjust the prompt here and regenerate. The pro tip here is to mention with that symbol, so the AI can identify the describing character as our actor. Like that, the new regenerated images are now perfectly consistent. Now, we turn these images into a movie. This is where the multi-shot storytelling pipeline comes in. Elser lets you click Generate Video for all these scenes, turning them into high-definition clips using integrated advanced models like Sora 2 and Kling AI. Here too, always make sure that the AI has correctly identified the cast in the scene. If not, you can guide by mentioning the characters just like before. Great! Now that we have all our clips generated, let's move to the final cut section. And here we are presented with a timeline view. This interface should look familiar if you've used CapCut or Premiere Pro. But unlike those tools, everything here is generative. We have our timeline filled with the clips we just made. Watch the playback. The train pulling into the station, the water rippling, the wind in her hair. It's not just moving, it's alive. We have some editing tools here to cut and trim as you want. So let's do some adjustments here right on our timeline. But a movie isn't just visuals, it's combined with audio. I'm going to select the scene where the train arrives. I want the girl to say a line of dialogue from the script. I'll open the voice library. I can choose from many high-quality AI voices, but for now, let's pick the one we assigned earlier to the young traveler.
Wow, a dream train.
Yes, that sounds good. And we have sound effects. I will add some train sounds into the timeline and some water for the beginning scenes. Finally, the score. A movie like The Starry Express needs beautiful music. For this, I don't need to go to a stock music site. Here, you can choose from the background music library right here in the sidebar, or generate an AI music track right here. So here, I'll type a small prompt for a melancholic instrumental song. I can trim the clips to match the beat of the music. I can adjust the volume. I have full control over the pacing. I haven't left the browser window once. So, we started with a text prompt. We designed a character. We generated a storyboard. We animated it. We added voice and music. Now, let's take a look at what we built. I'm going to hit export. Elser renders this out in 1080p high definition. Here is the final result of the Starry Express.
Wow, a dream train.
The video is perfectly aligned with the Ghibli-style I wanted, has a much longer duration than a typical AI video generator, and quite cohesive for its length. And remember, we generated not only the images and videos, but also the background music as well, all right within this platform. This tool is a game changer because it respects the process of filmmaking. It understands that you need a script, you need character continuity, and you need editing control. Elser AI bridges the gap between having a random idea in your head and actually finishing a video. This isn't just for people who want to make anime. Whether you are a YouTuber looking for unique B-roll, an indie filmmaker storyboarding your next film, or a content creator who wants to make viral shorts without filming, this workflow is the fastest way to get professional results. Now, I want to see what you can create. As I mentioned at the start, you don't have to take my word for it. You can try this entire workflow yourself. So click the link in the description box below and use it on elser.ai to claim your free usage credits. You can generate your first full character consistent video today, completely for free. Go give it a try, creating your own Ghibli story, or a Pixar short, or neon noir movie. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this walkthrough helpful, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best AI tools on the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.